Okay, in this video, I will show you a website that I like for online shopping. The name of this site is Etsy. So this is just a look at the homepage right here. The homepage has things that are probably preferences for other things you have looked at recently, or it'll have advertisements for people. So that's the screen. That's the logo right up there in the upper left corner. So as you can see here, they have different things you can search for. If you scroll down, it'll give you more stuff, personalized jewelry. There's collections you can look at. And it's, as it says here on the bottom, it is powered by 100% renewable electricity, and they're a very environmentally friendly website. So just looking, you could search for things on here. Like, let's say I wanted a vintage shirt. You could search up vintage clothing. There is a lot of vintage clothing on here. There's a lot of brands. Like, if you look here, Come Vintage, it'll be a store that sells mostly vintage stuff. So, and then if you click on the store, or they're also known as a shop online, you can see the types of things they sell, where they're based, if you want to get in contact with the person. So if we go and I sign in to my account, we can then look at my purchases, I can review my purchases. I can look at different things that I bought. So if we go to my profile, we can see that on my profile I have favorite items, which are all below, which are things that I liked, hearted while I was shopping. And you can also look at favorite shops. So you could heart stores that sell things that you like as well. It is a very good site, and they have a broad range of stuff, so you're always seeing new things.